All right, the next category we're going to talk about is called data analysis. Now this has to do with data across a wide spectrum of particular subjects where you're going to have charts or graphs or pie charts in some instances, and you're going to have to analyze that particular data in order to answer the questions. It's not so much about terminology or things to know. By and large, you just got to pay really close attention to the data that's on the charts, in the graphs, etc., and make sure you understand it completely. So this is more about just being really careful. There are three quick terms that you probably should know, and I'm going to go over these again in a later section devoted particularly to these types of questions. But anyways, I'll just give you a brief rundown because sometimes you will see these with data analysis questions. The three terms are mean, median, and mode. All right, so I'm going to give you a definition of each one really quickly. Mean is simply the average. It's simply where you take all the, you sum up all the data pieces. Let's say there's 5, you add them together, and then you divide them by 5, that's your average, that's your mean. Next is median. So again, if you have a group of 5 objects or 5 values, the median value is the one that's right in the middle. So first you have to sort the objects from least to greatest, and then you choose that middle item, the one that falls right in the middle, that's your median. And finally, mode is simply of these 5 values, whichever one appears the most frequently. So for example, let's say you have 5 values of 1, 2, 3, 3, and 5. In that case, 3 would be your mode. All right, that's it. Let's get on to some practice problems.